Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to adjust the steering wheel height and depth. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, first I will mention you should do this only while the vehicle is parked and you're in the parking mode and you're not driving. Ideally the vehicle will be turned off. Now under the steering wheel you'll have a black lever right here. So all you have to do, you have to pull this lever down and that will actually loosen up your steering wheel. Okay, and once you do that, now you can lift it up or down, you see, as much as you wish, and also you can push it in or pull it out. I will try to record this from this side. Now you'll see I can pull it out or I can push it in, you see. Okay, and once you lock it in place, once you're happy with the position, again you have to lock it. So just have to push this black lever all the way up until it clicks. And before driving, please make sure that the steering wheel is tight and it's not moving anywhere. This feature is very handy because you can adjust your steering wheel based on your driving preferences, based on your height, based on your arm length, seat position and things like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.